Hello guys, have you ever wondered, is it possible to eat water? Well, today I'm gonna help you with that. Well, have you ever thought like drinking water's for losers? That's why I'm drinking water. I am a loser. But you want to turn yourself into a true, good person. Eating water is not like this. You're eating the bottle. You eat water by doing this. Now, you're a true, excellent, elite, alpha person. Congratulations, you just ate water. This is totally eye-opening. Very, just, wow. After knowing this, I don't see the world as the same thing.